My name is Lola Young and I'm an independent crossbench peer in the House of Lords. Open yourself up to all those different experiences, to open yourself up to the different people that you'll meet. Hone your verbal and written communication skills because that will stand you in really great stead once you leave the university. I think it's really important to have a good time when you're at university. Obviously not so good that you destroy any chance of getting your degree, but it is important to have a really good social life and get to know as many people as you can. And also work hard on those personal relationships because you never know what those networks might bring you once you've left and gone into the big wide world. My experiences and the kind of life that I led may not have predicted where I would end up, but they shaped me. Nobody else has had that background, and I think that's the same for everybody. Nobody else has had exactly the same background as you. What you have is unique and that you have something to offer, and I think university can help bring that out of you.